Today we're going to cover a whole bunch of really cool, interesting, important aspects of fashion designing. And I'm going to start with a little secret. The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it! This is known as graphic tape. It's used primarily in graphic designing. If you were a graphic designer, you would know what this is. And I'm going to use it to create style lines. This tape comes in different widths. This is 1/8 of an inch. Now, of course, one side has a little bit of glue to it, so it sticks to your wherever, your finger and your form. And the beauty is that you can use it to create style lines. So let's say you wanted to do a square neckline, right? So you can go like this and like that. To see whether that's something that you're happy with, that you like. And if you don't like it, again, you just peel it off and try a different neckline. You can also use this to create style lines. Let's say you want to create some seams, so really, style lines for princess seams and so on. You can find it at your local art store. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.